Welcome back to another fun little episode of Why Can't the Things I Get Just Work the First Time? So this was the first thing that I got for the computer build, and it is the first thing to mess up. I got this card about a year ago, roughly. Not sure exactly the date, but yeah, it's about a year ago. And in that time, you saw me unbox it, and then I put it back in the box, and that's it. So it's got a weird problem. The fan just kind of ticks. And when you start it up, when you run some sort of benchmarking software on it, what it does is it just is like, okay, well, I'm just going to let that keep on heating it up, and nothing happens. A little fan motor here is just like, oh, okay, seems fine, everything's normal. It gets up to 90 degrees, yep, everything's fine, and at that point in time, I shut it off before it ruined itself. So, it's pretty annoying. I don't know how to fix it. And yeah, I might end up just seeing if this is still under warranty. I hope so. But yeah, this should be spinning when it's that high of a temperature. The fan should be adjustable when I say, hey, even if it's at 40 degrees Celsius, I still want the fan to spin. But no, it just kind of ticks. It doesn't do much. Even when it's seated in there, everything's good. Now, a couple possible things wrong with this is this right here. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Get the light down there. This right here is the thing that connects to the fan. I don't know if that is fully plugged in like it should be. Yeah. But if it's not, then that could mess some things up, and it could not be working right. It also might be a software issue, which I've tried every possible combination of solutions to fix that, but I don't know what it is. It's weird. I don't know how to fix it. So, yeah, that's where we stand right now. So I'll let you know if it's still under warranty and I get it replaced, or if not, then I guess it's back to waiting for more parts for our computer that we're building still. And for right now, I guess we won't be able to look at the screen. It'll just be a computer without a screen, or any sort of graphics processing. Yay! But yeah, that's how it is. That's what we got. Fan should be at full speed now. That's just what it does. Okay, much like Stacy's mom, here's what I got going on. So right here I've got my afterburner program up and running. At resting temperature I have at 38 degrees. I think that's good. So yeah, all this is right here like that. It's all good, dandy, and fine. Yeah, I have this all set. Power limit 100, temp limit 83. I think that's okay. Core clock 250, memory clock 253. And I think this is on auto. I don't entirely know though. I've got this program that's similar to the one that you just showed me, the MSI one. It's called Heaven. Is this the one you showed me? It might be, but yeah. So that's what I'm running. So as soon as this loads up, you're gonna start seeing this climbing, and it's gonna climb fast. And yeah, it doesn't check itself before it tries its best to wreck itself, which I don't like. Yeah. So we're at 53. Okay, it's kind of okay. 55. There we go. It's going up higher and higher. Let me turn on the light for you right now so you can see this. Go over to Magic Little Computer, and right now the fan, you can see it is not spinning. Good job, fan. You're really putting in the effort right now. Going back over here, oh, we're up to 60. That sounds like a temperature that you probably want to have your fans running at. But yeah, it's actively not working. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on here. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. Yeah, 65. It'll keep on rising, just like this. And it'll just be this steady incline upwards. And it'll keep on going and going. It should stop when it gets to 83, right? Is that what's supposed to happen? I'm not sure. But it's, yeah, I think the fan should be running. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this before it hurts itself. And yeah, I don't know why the fan isn't spinning when it's like this. But it's not running like it should, from what I understand.